What if the survival gear you rely on becomes illegal overnight? That might seem like a far-fetched scenario, but in today's ever-changing world, it's not entirely out of the question. Today we're diving into 5 must-have prepping items before they potentially become banned. Remember, it's not just about being ready, it's about safeguarding you and your family's future in uncertain times. First up on our list are portable solar panels. These compact, mobile powerhouses are a game-changer for off-grid living. They provide a renewable source of energy, powering everything from your emergency radios to your cooking equipment. However, with increasing regulations on solar panels, they might soon become harder and harder to acquire. Next, we have compact seed banks. These little treasures are a must for any prepper. A compact seed bank is essentially a collection of various vegetable and fruit seeds that could provide a sustainable food source in a survival situation. But with potential laws limiting the sale and distribution of non-GMO seeds, it's a good idea to secure these while you can. Tactical multi-tools are another essential item to secure. These handy devices are a prepper's best friend, offering a variety of functions from a knife to a can opener, all in one compact tool. However, with the increasing scrutiny on carrying knives and other sharp objects, you might want to get one before they're possibly restricted. Our 4th item is advanced water filters. Clean water is a basic necessity, and these filters ensure you have access to it, even in the direst circumstances. But with potential restrictions on water purification devices, it's best to secure one sooner rather than later. Lastly, we have portable solar ovens. These ingenious devices harness the power of the sun to cook food without the need for fuel. However, with potential regulations on outdoor cooking devices, it's wise to add one to your survival kit now. In summary, the 5 prepping items we've discussed are portable solar panels, compact seed banks, tactical multi-tools, advanced water filters, and portable solar ovens. Keep in mind, the goal isn't to scare you, but to keep you prepared. Remember, it's not just about being ready, it's about ensuring you and your family's safety in uncertain times. So, secure these items while you can, and stay ahead of the game.